I'm at the Bali Posh Hotel here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. It's a Wyndham property. We're here just for the night. Wanted to give you a little room tour. Hello and welcome back to Now Go See It. I'm Tony. Today we're taking a little hotel room tour, so join us. If you like hotel room tours, travel content, and things like that, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. This is a pretty standard basic room. It's a Wyndham property. It's unique because it's adults only, so if you have any kids, don't bother bringing them along because they are not allowed in this place. Overall, it's a pretty nice room. We booked a standard king size room. Amenities on site are pretty much the standard stuff. You've got a small but very well-stocked gym. There's a pool area that's quite nice. It's open late, which I really like. It's not a huge pool, but it's very sort of resorty and relaxing. The pool bar is right next to it, as well as a restaurant. The restaurant looks pretty fancy. We didn't actually eat there. Looks like the food is sort of inspired by the Bali theme of the hotel, the Indonesian theme that they've got going on. But the food in the bar, or the food from the restaurant, you can eat around the pool area. Room-wise, it's not the biggest room I've ever seen in my life, but it looks like it's got everything we need. Give it a flippy flip. All right. So as I mentioned, we've got the king-size bed right there. A nice set of 4 pillows plus 2 extra decorative. There was a man in the lobby asking for extra pillows. They said they don't have extra pillows, so better be happy with the 4 that you've got. Both sides, you've got nice little tropical themed lamps, which are quite fun. Nice lamp theming to the island life here in Puerto Rico. Same with these, I guess they're fans on the wall, but you don't need the fans because over on the other wall, you've got an air conditioner that is pumping out some cool air into this space. Right there is the only window in the entire place, which is unfortunate because the courtyard is actually quite lovely. But you cannot see out of it. I would open it for you, but I don't know if I can. Oh, it's actually been smaller than it looks. That's it. It's sort of like you're staying in somebody's basement, is how I would describe it. But we are at ground level. So that's that. If you do need to hang anything up, you do have this awkwardly placed sort of umbrella coat stand tree. I don't really think you could hang much of anything on there. Certainly if you were here and you had like a nice sport coat or something, it wouldn't hang flat. Other than that, not a whole lot of storage going on in here. Got this little dresser as well as a table there to put things on, and a table over here that doubles as a drawer. Below it you'll also find your safe. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a drawer, but doesn't open real easy. There it is. Telephone and remote controls, of course. Speaking of remote controls, that'll control that guy over there. Reasonably nice sized television. One thing I will say is the television is quite strange. It does the spinning wheel of death. There are a astronomical amount of television channels. Like it really just, it goes like, I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands of shows or of channels, but it seems like they're just shows on channels, like it's some sort of weird television streaming thing, which would be really cool if it actually worked, but it's really the spinning wheel of death. I've only got one thing to actually load, so if you are planning to watch a lot of television while you're here, it's raining or something like that, or you don't like the outdoors and you just came to Puerto Rico to watch television, you may be pretty disappointed with the service. Right below that, you've got the only other storage unit in the room here. Hopefully you're not staying too long because there isn't a closet or anything like that. The only place to hang anything up, there's a couple of hooks in the bathroom, which I'll show you in a minute. Right next to that, you've got a pretty good size fridge for a hotel. And on top, you've got a fancy looking coffee maker. Ninja is the brand. Looks like it's a single serve situation. Comes with a jar of Puerto Rican coffee, actual grounds, which is pretty unique, I think, for a hotel. And looks like some tea bags in there too. Nice that they're not using the pods and things. I guess those are pretty bad for the environment. So if you're looking to save the planet, they're doing their part. Also some mugs, fancy mugs imported from Sweden, the way that it looks. And then moving on, we've got our ladder of towels. Weirdly, it's not in the bathroom. I don't know why they decided to put it outside of the bathroom, but alas, here we are. And speaking of the bathroom, let's move in. It's a very modern bathroom. I actually really like the design. You've got this funky sink with a big sort of carved out rock basin situation. Nice black fixtures on the wall. The mirror's pretty nice too. There's one of those hooks that I was talking to you about next to the sink, although that's pretty much for a hand towel, which from what I can tell, they do not provide hand towels, or they forgot. I can't totally tell, but there's definitely not a hand towel. And then over here, 2 more hooks. So that's the only place you have to hang up stuff, and I guess that's gonna be for your used bath towels anyway. Here in the shower itself, I really like those tiles. You've got same matching black fixtures. Pretty nice sort of cascading shower. It does have that annoying thing that I don't really care for, which is no door or no shower curtains. So when you're taking a shower, it gets a little splashy all around the room, especially again, along with not having any hand towels, they didn't provide any bath mats. So it's pretty much just the 2 towels on this ladder. That's what you get, that's what you see, that's all you can have. And I don't know, maybe like the guy who was asking for more pillows in the lobby, maybe they don't have any more towels either. So hard to say. I was able to get more towels and things from the front desk. That was just a tiny mistake made by the cleaning crew. So no big deal. So the room does come with a bath mat, hand towels, and washcloth. You don't actually have to request them. They're supposed to be here. No big deal. Last but not least, we got this nice little themed lamp up top. I do really like the tropical vibes that they have there. So yeah, that's the room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's get another look at the bathroom. There I am. Hello everyone. If you like room tours like this, we do a room tour of every room that we stay in. We also do a lot of cruise ship videos and videos from our travels around the world. So don't be shy, do us a huge favor. Click that like button, click the subscribe button. The subscribe button is the one that helps us out the most. It keeps us making videos like this and helps out the channel, helps us out a lot, and it makes us feel good in our hearts. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again soon.